Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF, your ultimate hub for rare coin discoveries, unbelievable coin values, and the hidden treasures sitting right in your pocket change. Today's episode is absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine finding a simple 1988 penny and realizing it's worth over $1.3 million. Yes, you heard that right. $1,380,000. Stay tuned because today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this incredibly rare coin. How to identify it, why it's so valuable, and how you might already own one without even knowing it. But beware, not every 1988 penny is worth a fortune. You need to know exactly what to look for. At the end of this video, I'll reveal a secret tip that could help you spot rare coins worth thousands, even millions. So stick with me till the very end. You won't want to miss a second. Let's first travel back to 1988 that Ronald Reagan was finishing up his presidency. The Berlin Wall was still standing. And the U.S. Mint? They were mass-producing Lincoln cents, billions of them, to be exact, but hidden among these billions, a tiny mistake occurred, a mistake so small that only sharp-eyed collectors noticed, a mistake that turned an ordinary 1-cent coin into a millionaire's treasure. The 1988 Lincoln cent was part of the Memorial Reverse series, featuring Lincoln's portrait on the obverse and a Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, designed by Frank Gasparo. But some 1988 cents have a special difference. An unusual error related to the AM in America on the reverse. This coin is special because of a rare variety known as the 1988 reverse of 1989, also called the wide AM variety. Here's the deal. Normally, on a 1988 cent, the letters in America are almost touching, but on the valuable error coin, the wide AM variety, there's a noticeable gap between the and the M. Why? Because during minting, they accidentally used a reverse die intended for the 1989 cents. This small die mix-up created a collectible variety. Collectors absolutely love these kinds of die. Varieties because they tell a hidden story of the mint's mistake. And because of their rarity, these coins can fetch mind-blowing prices at auctions. Now you might be thinking, okay, how much are we actually talking about? Let me share some real-world examples that a pristine 1988 wide AM Lincoln cent graded MS. 69 red by Piece GS sold for $1,380,000 in a private transaction. Another slightly lower grade example, MS 67 red sold for over $50,000 at public auction. Even circulated examples, coins found in pocket change, can sell for $5,000 to $10,000 easily. One little penny casually sitting in your piggy bank, turning you into a millionaire overnight. And these prices are only expected to rise because collectors are realizing how extremely few wide AM examples from 1988 exist. Are you feeling lucky yet? Because next, I'll show you how you can spot this million-dollar penny. All right, time to grab your pennies. Here's what you need to do. Look closely at the word America on the back of your 1988 penny. If the and M are touching, it's a normal coin. If there's a clear gap, congratulations. You might have struck gold. Check the FG initials under the memorial building on the wide AM variety. The initials are crisper and closer to the memorial base. Use a simple magnifying glass or even your smartphone zoom camera. Don't underestimate pocket change. Even slightly worn examples are valuable. Get your coin graded by PCGS, NGC, or Annex if you believe you have the real deal. Certified. Coins sell for way higher prices. Maybe after this video, you'll be digging through your piggy banks, your grandparents' old jars, and your spare change stash. You might wonder, Why would anyone pay over $1 million for a penny? And pure collector passion, a perfect storm of factors makes the 1988 wide AM cent one of the holy grails for modern U.S. coin collectors. And in a world where every collector dreams of discovering the next big treasure, the demand keeps pushing prices even higher. Collector and history.